Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be making fuel wobbles. To make this, we're going to start by adding some oil to a pot that's on medium heat. Allow the oil to come up to temperature. To the pot I'm going to go in with my aromatics, onion, garlic, green seasoning and a pimento pepper or a hot pepper depending on the spiciness that you want. You can use a pepper, a hot pepper or a pimento pepper. Saute until it's light brown and very fragrant. Add in your curry powder and you're going to toast this curry powder until it's grainy, just for about a minute or so. Add water to help the curry cook and allow that water to cook in there until it turns into a thick paste. Once it turns into a thick paste, go in with your cooked chana or chickpea. It has to be cooked because you don't want this to take too long. And also some potatoes. The potatoes are not cooked. Add salt to taste. Mix, cover and cook until everything is very tender. Do not add too much liquid to this because you want this mixture to be dry. You just use the back of your spoon and mash down on the potatoes because you need them to soften up and be smooth. You don't want it to be too chunky. Also, you can do the same for the chana. You can smash down on a few pieces of them. Once the mixture is cooled, you're going to take your wonton skins and you're going to place a little bit of the filling in the center and you're going to seal this with some water. Once sealed, set aside and then we'll move on frying the wontons. Place your wontons into your hot oil. These are not going to take very long to cook as the filling is already cooked. So once they get a golden brown color on the outside and they're nice and crispy, they're ready to be served. Today's recipe was inspired by Wontons on Wheels. You can find them on Instagram and on Facebook. They're at the Heritage Park in Plantation, Florida every Tuesday from 5 p.m. till 9 p.m. Make sure and visit them. They have some really delicious wonton recipes, not only this wobbles recipe. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give the video a thumbs up and to share with your friends. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, please subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. If you guys make this, leave your comments down below. I'd like to know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!